Hello students, welcome to your English class again. So students, today we will discuss about Papachi's Moth by Arundhati Roy. As in the previous lecture we had already discussed about Arundhati Roy. So today about the chapter I just want to tell you something. Papachi refers to grandfather. And grandfather in this story is Ben and John Eppie. Ben and John Eppie is the character of the story Papachi's Moth, who is referred to Papachi in the chapter. And moth, and what do you mean by moth? Moth is an insect like you say butterfly. Butterfly is colorful, is of many colors, but this insect is not like that. It has flat. Let us start with a brief summary of the chapter so that you can easily access to the chapter. So let's get started. So students, Papachi was an entomologist and had retired as a director in the Department of Entomology. Okay, in the Department of Entomology, he works as an entomologist. Entomologist, what do you mean by entomologist? Entomologist is a person who studies about insects. I had already told you. His real name was Ben and John Eppie. What was his real name? Ben and John Eppie. After his retirement from the government office in Delhi, he had come to live in Ainman in Kerala. So, after the retirement, he has come to live in Ainman in Kerala. It was going to be almost 10 years. It was going to be almost 10 years when he retired from service, and now he spent most of his time at home. Okay, most of his time at home. So his wife Mamachi, and now Mamachi refers to grandmother. Okay, and grandmother Sushma Eppie, I had already discussed it with you in the previous lecture. Sushma Eppie is another character in the story Papachi's Moth, and Mamachi refers to the wife of Papachi. Okay, Papachi and Mamachi are the main characters of the story. So Mamachi had taken to pickle making after retirement of her husband. She was now quite successful in her business and had earned a name for herself. But students, Papachi never gave her any help in her work because he thought it below his dignity to do so. So he thought that I am an officer and why I do this low kind of things. It is below my dignity. So he never helped her. On the contrary, he would often beat her with a brass flower vase. Why? Because he just felt jealous of success of his wife in her business. In order to get her a bad name, even in order to get her a bad, so this all he done because he want to, वो क्या चाहता था कि जो मेरी वाइफ है उसकी जो है क्या हो, उसकी इमेज जो है वो बाकियों के सामने क्या हो जाए, खराब हो जाए, ruin हो जाए. ठीक है, that is why he sit in the open and start sewing the buttons that were in fact not missing. The buttons जो थे वो टूटे हुए नहीं होते थे, missing नहीं होते थे, लेकिन वो क्या करता था, just एक दिखावा करता था कि भाई मेरी बीवी जो है कोई काम नहीं करती है, मेरा सिर्फ अपना बिजनेस को संभालती है. तो that is why I am sewing the buttons on my shirt. And in fact, there was a reason behind Papachi's bitterness in temper. So I had already told you that he is little bit bitter in his temper. So why is that? There is a reason behind it. While in service, he had discovered a new species of moth, but the credit of this discovery was then denied to him. तो डिपार्टमेंट वालों ने उसको क्रेडिट नहीं दिया उस मौत का. इनफैक्ट they said this is not a special species of the moth, it is void, null and void. So and now when he had retired, the credit of the same discovery was taken by the present acting director, who used to be far junior to Papachi. So that was the real reason behind the bitterness in temper of Papachi. So this life of bitterness after retirement continued for many years. Papachi's son Chaco was a scholar at the Oxford University. ओके, Papachi's son, बेटा जो है उनका वो ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ता था. तो when he used to came once during his visit at home, he saw his father beating his mother with a brass flower vase. And this is not one night story that he used to beat his wife. He often used to beat his wife. Even regularly he used to beat his wife with a flower vase. Okay, brass flower vase. So Chaco took hold of his father's arm that night when he saw that his father is beating his mother very ruthlessly. So when he came to the room, he just don't control over himself. So he took hold of his father's arm and twisted it. उसको पीछे मोड़ दिया, उसकी कलाइयों को उसकी बैक में. And he also warned his father not to do so in future. उसको एक जो है वो वार्निंग देता है कि दोबारा ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए फ्यूचर में. Now a great change came in Papachi's mouth. And what was that? Now a great change came in Papachi's life. And what was that? It was that he never again spoke to his wife till his death. Till his death, he never spoke to Mamachi. And when he died, Mamachi wept a lot. So why she wept a lot? Not because she loved him, but because she was used to living with him. उसको उसके साथ रहने की, उसकी उसी बिहेवियर से जो है आदत हो चुकी थी उसकी. एंड व्हेन ही डाइड शी देन वेप्ट अ लॉट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर चैप्टर. आई हैव गिवन यू अ ब्रीफ समरी अबाउट द चैप्टर. आई होप you will easily understand the chapter now. So let's get started reading with your chapter. So Mamachi had started making pickles commercially soon after Papachi retired from government service in Delhi and came to live in Ironman. जैसे कि वो रिटायर होकर आयनमैन में रहने आ गए थे क्योंकि वो अपने जॉब से रिटायर हो गए थे. So Kottayam Bible Society was having a fair and asked Mamachi to make some of her famous banana jam and tender mango pickles. तो उसकी मैंगो पिकल्स और बनाना जैम जो है वो इतना ज़्यादा फेमस था ममाची का कि वहाँ की जो कोट्टयम बाइबल सोसाइटी है जहाँ पर वो रहते थे वहाँ के लोगों ने उनको कहा कि आप ये जो है मेले में फेयर में अपना ये स्टॉल लगाइए. It sold quickly and Mamachi found that she had more orders than she could cope with. Okay, so वो इतनी जल्दी बिक गए, इतने अच्छे से बिक गए कि ममाची ने ऐसा सोचा भी नहीं था कि ऐसा होगा भी. ठीक है, तो उसके बाद जो हाँ उसके पास और ज़्यादा ऑर्डर्स आने लगे. तो इसलिए वो पूरे साल क्या करती थी, पिकल्स बनाती थी, जैम बनाती थी एंड she remained busy all year round. Papachi, for his part, was having trouble coping with the ignominy of retirement. He was 17 years older than Mamachi and realized with a shock that he was an old man when his wife was still in her prime. So, Papachi जो थे वो दूसरी साइड वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्या थे, ट्रबल में थे क्योंकि अब एक तो उनकी रिटायरमेंट हो चुकी थी, उनके पास कोई काम नहीं था. उस दूसरी बात में उनको एक और चीज़ जो है वो अंदर ही अंदर खाई जाती थी. व्हाट वाज दैट? इट वाज दैट ही वाज 17 years ओल्डर देन ममाची. ओके, ममाची से 17 years जो थे वो बड़े थे और उनको ये लगता था, उनको एक ऐसा एक टाइम पे उन्होंने ऐसा सोचा, उनको ऐसा शौक था कि जब मैं बूढ़ा हो जाऊंगा, मतलब मैं बूढ़ा हो गया हूँ, मैं बुढ़ापे तक पहुँच गया हूँ और मेरी वाइफ जो है वो एक से प्राइम एज में है. अब देखिए 17 years कितना ज़्यादा लॉन्ग जो है वो गैप होता है एज में. ठीक है, तो 17 years जो है उसकी वाइफ जो है उनसे छोटी थी. Though Mamachi had conical cornea and was already practically blind, so अब उनको क्या था, कॉनिकल कॉर्निया था, जिससे जो है वो उनकी जो है नज़र जो थी बहुत ही कम हो चुकी थी. प्रैक्टिकली तो वो ब्लाइंड थी, लेकिन थोड़ा थोड़ा जो है उनको दिखता था, ऑलमोस्ट वो ब्लाइंड थी. पेपैची वुड नॉट हेल्प हर विद हर पिकल मेकिंग. जैसे कि मैंने आपको ब्रीफ समरी में बताया कि ही थॉट दैट इट वॉज बिलो हिज डिग्निटी. Being an officer in the Department of Entomology, it was below his dignity to make pickles. So he never helped his wife. He had always been a jealous man. एक तो वो jealous थे हमेशा अपनी वाइफ से. So he greatly resented the attention his wife was suddenly getting. अब जो है उनको बिल्कुल ही ये बर्दाश्त नहीं होता था कि उसकी वाइफ की जो है वो अटेंशन जो है लोग ज़्यादा उनको देते हैं. सडनली ऐसा हो गया है, वो फेमस हो चुकी हैं, उनका बिजनेस फ्लरिश कर चुका है. ही स्लाउच्ड अराउंड द कंपाउंड इन हिज इमैक्युलेटेड टेलर्ड सूट. अब वो हमेशा अपना सूट जो है पहन कर वहाँ पर घूमते रहते थे, इधर उधर चक्कर लगाते रहते थे. ठीक है. वीविंग सलन सर्कल्स अराउंड माउंट्स ऑफ रेड चिलीज. वहाँ पे ढेर पड़े हुए हैं, रेड चिली सुखाने को रखी हुई हैं, उसके आगे पीछे बस चक्कर लगाते रहते थे गोल गोल. एंड फ्रेशली पाउडर्ड येलो टर्मरिक. ठीक है, मिर्ची रखी है, येलो टर्मरिक रखी है, उसके आगे पीछे चक्कर लगाते रहते थे. वॉचिंग मेमाची सर्विस द बाइंग, द वेइंग, द सॉल्टिंग, ड्राइंग ऑफ लाइम्स एंड टेंडर मैंगोस. देखते रहते थे, बस उसकी बीवी काम कर रही है, वो देख रहे हैं कि लोग आ रहे हैं वहाँ पे, वो कर रहे हैं, ख़रीद रहे हैं उनसे चीज़ें, वो तोड़ रही है उन चीज़ों को, फिर नमक डाल रही है, उनको सुखा रही है मैंगोस को, लाइम्स को. ठीक है, तो ये सब उनको काम करते देखते रहते थे. एवरी नाइट ही बीट हर विद अ ब्रास फ्लावर वेस. और रोज़ रात को वो अपनी वाइफ को एक फ्लावर वेस से मारते थे, पीटते थे. ठीक है, बुरी तरह से मारते थे, जैसे कि मैंने आपको I had already told you in the summary. One night, Pepachi broke the bow of Mamachi's violin and threw it in the river. अब क्या था कि ममाची जो थी वो वायलिन बहुत अच्छा बजाती थी. ठीक है, तो इस चीज़ से भी, इस बात से भी पेपाची को बहुत ही ज़्यादा गुस्सा आता था. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, एक दिन उसको क्या किया, तोड़ दिया, उनकी वायलिन को तोड़ दिया, उनकी जो बो होती, तार होती, वो तोड़ दी, फेंक दिया उसको रिवर में. ठीक है. देन चैको केम होम फॉर अ समर वेकेशन. एंड हु इज चैको? चैको इज Papachi's son. Okay, so Checo is a scholar in Oxford University that I had already told you. He had grown to be a big man. अब वो बड़ा हो चुका था, पढ़ता था, समझदार था, बड़ा हो चुका था. और उन दिनों, in those days, strong from rowing for Balliol. A week after he arrived, he found Papachi beating Mamachi in the study. और एक हफ्ते तक जब वो वहाँ पे रहा तो उसने एक बार में देखा कि मैची को कौन मार रहा है, पेपाची जो है मार रहे हैं. चेको स्ट्रोड इनटू द रूम. चेको एकदम से जो है रूम में चला जाता है, घुस जाता है. एंड कॉट पेपाचीज वेस्ट हैंड एंड ट्विस्टेड इट अराउंड हिज बैक. और जो है वो उनके हाथ जो है, आर्म जो है वो पीछे बैक की तरफ ले जाता है, ट्विस्ट करता है, उसको घुमा देता है. ठीक है. So, in today's lecture, this is enough. In next lecture, we will read other part of the chapter. So, thank you, students.